Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hope everyone is having a fantastic day. I hope my volume is up. Please let me know y'all can hear me clearly. I finished that witness appointment this morning. It was fantastic, y'all. I am so super excited. Like, even as many signings I've done, let's just chit chat for a little bit on my way home. I even question myself, because this business is so simple, y'all, like, so simple. Even I, till this day, and I've done thousands of closings, and I'm not saying that to be bragging, but I'm just telling you, even I, doing as many closings as I've done, meeting all these different people with these different personalities, being placed in all these different situations, I still question my abilities. And today, sitting with another notary, it's the same. She has the same spiel routine as I do. And I was just like, I was sitting there just grinning like a cheese, like a Chester cat. Like I was just like looking and listening for something to be different from what I do, and it was just like, she do the same thing as I do. Like, there's nothing I can add or subtract. Like, honestly, the only thing that she did have that I did not have, and I peeped, she had like a little ruler that was broken in half to draw and write in lines when they're not put in the documents, when they're not, this document that she had, there was a lot of typos. It was a seller package, and there were a lot of typos in this package. Oh my goodness. So with the attorney being on the phone, she just asked the attorney directed her throughout the package on what to do. He said, do this, do that, do this, do that. And, she went through page by page, and he told her what to do, because there was a lot of typos in the document. Documents didn't have lines for witnesses for us to sign their names. It was places in there because he was selling as an LLC, member management, and she was like, do he sign his name here? Do he just sign, do he sign like in this verbiage? Do he sign his name this way? And the attorney was nice, and he just told her exactly what to do, and it's like, that's all you have to do is ask questions, y'all. If y'all not for sure about something, just ask the attorney questions. And even the attorney was like, no, as far as my understanding, they didn't tell me that it should be this way or that way, so just do it that way. So, I was very, very happy and pleased today for that closing. Like, I needed to see that. Like, I did. I really did. I don't know why my camera looks so dark. But anyway, I came on here to tell you that appointment went fantastic. So I gained another notary buddy in these notary streets, someone in my area who does loan closes as I do, for the same companies as I do. So that's a thumbs up. She said if she ever need a notary, could she call me? And if I ever need a notary, I could call her. So that's fantastic. Because we both discussed sometimes how we have to turn away appointments because we don't have the notary. And sometimes the signing services or the company want us to be responsible for finding a notary. And with her, I don't know if I can tell you this, but I guess I can because you don't know who she is. She said when she got the appointment, she requested $35 for a witness. The company didn't want to give her $35 for a witness. So the company went to a signing service, and I picked it up. It came across my email, and I picked it up because, money is money in my book. So when she said she requested $35 because she was going to have to go and pick them up and bring them to the appointment, she didn't even want to have the person, having the person drive there, because as we all know, everyone's not dependable as you may be. So I got that tip. Next time I do have an appointment and it requires a witness, I'm gonna have to include me going to pick that witness up and bring them with me to the appointment. That was a fantastic tip, and I'm glad she shared that with me, because like in this business, like with a lot of business, people don't want to share with you what they got going on. And I'm glad she was just openly sharing like I was. So that was a blessing to my spirit today. The next thing I want to talk about is that Amazon influencer program, y'all. Whoever follows me knows that I've been posting more on all my social media platforms, because for the life of me, I cannot get approved yet. No is not forever. No is just for right now. So I've been trying to boost my social media engagement. I'm trying to be posting on all my social media pages. I'm getting closer and closer to YouTube monetization, y'all. I am so happy. Y'all. So happy. I've been going at it. I've been posting 3 videos a day on my YouTube channel. 3 videos a day. I've been trying to follow routines and techniques other people who have larger channels than I do. They tell you what to do. One tip that a young lady I've been following, she gave us was to upload, schedule your YouTube, your TikTok videos for midnight hours, like 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, because the sun goes around the planet. And what I mean by that is, although we may be asleep, where we're located at is other people in the world that are up. So you want your content and your information to get around everyone, not just when you're up, but when everyone is up and going to sleep and all that kind of stuff. If that makes sense. So that was a fantastic, and I think that's what helped, because I do get dinged and pinged in India and some other places in the world. So I'm very thankful for that. So I do have a video coming up. I think I scheduled for a couple weeks from now. It's an Indian video, same-sex marriage couple in India, and it's a YouTube video, but I did like a reaction to it. So I scheduled that for a couple of weeks from now. So you have to take out time to get to know YouTube, how to set up your YouTube, how to post on YouTube, how you do your titles on YouTube. So I'm very excited about that. Growing my TikTok, it's just so much. So anybody who's approved for the Amazon Influencer Program, want to help your girl out, I greatly appreciate it. Tell me some tidbits, I will follow. Trust me. I'm not the type of person that you tell stuff to and I still sit there like, huh? What? Well, wait a minute. You know, I act. I'm the type of person, I act. I don't react, I act. So you give me the information, I'll try it. I will definitely try it. I will do more than try. I'll show you and tell you the results after I tried it. That's just how eager and how much I want different for my life, how much more I want for my life, and I want you all the same. So like I tell you, when I come across something, I like to share with you all what I'm doing, because all of us are moms, all of us is working to try to make our lives better. You know, people reach out to the group about, you know, they having child care situations or they have special needs children in the home. Creating a YouTube channel, showing your day in and day out, I'm telling you, people will watch it. Putting that stuff on TikTok, people will watch it. Facebook just started back paying for reels, but they're paying for ads on reels. Boost your engagement up. Post 3, 4, 5, 6 times a day till you get up there to when they start putting ads on your reels. That's how you can make additional passive income. I watched this one lady on Facebook. She get almost 2,000 views on all her reels. On all her reels. I can only imagine how much money that woman's making. And she uploads about 2 or 3 reels a day. That's it. That's it. I just left Walmart. You could have made a whole reel about your experience at Walmart and get paid if advertisers want to, you know, put their ads on that reel, that content you just made from being in Walmart. Y'all, it's absolutely the best time in the world to be a content creator. It's the best time in the world to be alive. Don't look at just your W-2 as the only way to make money. Use your phone. I don't have a camera. I don't have anything fancy. I use and upload everything on my phone. On my phone, y'all. So just start uploading content on your phone and get paid. Make you some money. Make you some money to help generate the life you want to live and see happening. People doing it all the time. You can't say it just for this group of people, that group of people. All type of people doing it. All his children channels, his dog channels. It's this one lady I follow on TikTok. All she records is her and her activities with her cat. That's all she does. That's all. She don't talk. It's just all she do is upload snippets of her and her cat. And she got thousands of views, y'all. Just imagine how much money she's making. She's at home. She ain't got to leave. She ain't got to worry about no boss telling her she can take a break or a vacation. You know what I'm saying? She could even take the cat with her to the beach and get a hotel room that's pet friendly and make videos at the beach with her cat. Like, I'm telling you, it's an absolutely fantastic way to make money. So once again, anybody that's part of the Amazon Influencer Program that's in this group, this car just cut me off. Really? Anyway, anybody a part of the Amazon Influencer Program, please hit me up. Let me know what you did to get approved. I keep trying to use, I have Instagram, I have YouTube, I have Facebook, I have TikTok, and none of them so far I've gotten approved. So what I was going to do today when I get home, I'm going to go to on my computer and email them. Email as many people as I possibly can. Reach out to some content creators on YouTube and ask them, DM them. Like, I got to figure out what I'm doing wrong. I have to figure out what I'm doing wrong. Multiple people say what they've done to get approved, and I'm doing it, but I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So I need to find out what I'm doing wrong. I'm not going to give up. Each and every day I try to get approved. So I'm not going to give up. And then the day that I do tell you that I get approved, I'm going to share that with the group. I don't know why you trying to get through here, Chuck, but you was something else. Now you trying to back up. Lord, what is you doing? That's not even going to work. But anyway, y'all have a fantastic day. Talk to you soon.